Your apartment?
My old apartment?
Yeah, old apartment. That nigga gonna still say that with you.
Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. This was the 25th. Yeah, today's 25th, you guys. So I told y'all yesterday, I didn't tell y'all, I'm telling y'all now. So yesterday, y'all, I got a, I thought my signature check came, I got a check in the mail. So I opened it up, you guys, and it's a check from my old apartments, from Pineville Forest. It's a check from my old apartment. Just put it like that. So I opened it, and I guess the check was like 219 cents. So basically, I gotta pay $200.19 by 60 days. I very much got money in the paper, y'all. But right now, I'm gonna brush my teeth real fast, you guys. And I'm gonna show y'all the check, and I'm gonna call them. While I'm vlogging with you guys, I'm gonna call them and see what's going on, because all that I could have messed up. The phone wasn't even damaged. The phone wasn't even messy, you know. Like, nah, it is so much. I mean, we gonna find out together what's going on, you know, because I'm not paying no money and everybody. And then, like, I just feel like I'm gonna pay it because I'm not trying to mess up my apartment over here, you know. Yeah, it's just so much going on. I'm gonna keep you guys, so. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna got on, y'all. I just woke up and everything in my bed closed. I'm like, what she got on? What she got? Bleach stain stuff on her clothes. So, hopefully I get it, you guys. And it's cold in here. Y'all know I'm at the Grandma Road. So y'all know I don't have a bed right now, so I got an air mattress. And baby, that air mattress be, I don't know, it got a hole in it. I don't know what's going on with the air mattress. But man, I couldn't sleep because it kept on going out. I'm like, yeah, I just don't know. So yeah, you guys, you know, I feel like people always want to come to me. Well, I don't say come to me, but tell me about my ex every time. Or like, oh, he got that, he got this, you seen this, you seen that. I'm like, bro, yeah, at this point, I'm like, yeah, me and my ex is not together. It made 4 years on the 22nd of March of this year that we've been broken up. So why does y'all keep telling me about my ex? I honestly don't care what he do. Well, he text me this morning, y'all. I pick up Mackenzie from school. I'm trying to see, do my eyebrows, because I don't want to get on camera. Look at the mess. And yeah, I'm getting good at my eyebrows. Yeah, this is the little bit she got. She sent me, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to take my vitamins and stuff. Let me show y'all the chick that she sent me. Yeah, look at the chick. I can't show my address. I'm gonna fold it so y'all can see it. What did it say? What did it say? Focus, focus. She's talking about, Y'all, this will piss me off, y'all. I'm gonna read all these to y'all what she said that I have to pay. Hold on, y'all. I ain't break it, y'all. Even though I don't like medicine, I hate medicine. This pill is so big. I gotta take this one every morning. It's my it's the complete pill, y'all. I take for my energy. So I got energy and stuff, you guys. But this pill is so big and that's so nasty. Y'all feel calm, mama, y'all. Let my mama know, cause this is stupid, y'all. I'm honestly pissed, y'all. Pissed. Like, pissed, bro. Every time she got listed, I gotta pay.
Yeah, we.
Hey, what you doing?
Yeah, we.
What you doing? You tell Dr. Grandma? You tell Dr. Grandma?
Yeah.
What they said about Grandma?
I don't know. She explaining now.
I'm gonna Miss Vanessa. Hold on.
Full of shit.
Yeah, I'm about to call.
I'm not gonna move there.
Not here in my own apartment.
Oh yeah, they do that at that old apartment. She gonna say they gonna put that on your record. So we got a bill for $200, and I know she lying as much as you clean your house.
I'm a clean person, exactly. It's not my fault that y'all didn't want to clean.
You supposed to take a picture of everything.
I did. I took a picture of everything.
Your picture.
I did. My thing is, they didn't want to come fix nothing at the apartment. It's okay. It's okay. I'm finna call her right now.
And you show them your pictures. Show them your. Don't show that to the people that say that.
Who charged somebody fucking $5 for a fucking ceiling fan, bro? That y'all didn't come fix. I'm not finna sit here and try to scroll a fucking ceiling fan, make that shit icy white. Come on now. This is talking about I left the kitchen knives on the cabinet. Bro, my thing is, I forgot it at the old house. If you had common sense, someone told you, okay, let me just throw it away for Brittany. Or this and that. Now you gonna turn for fucking kitchen knives? Black people, y'all, it's sad how we can't even come together and stick together. Black people, it's fucking sad, y'all. It's sad. It's sad. This lady got, bro. Yeah, y'all gotta see this. Let me show y'all this shit, cause y'all, I'm feeling low key for the call her. Y'all look at this. Y'all see all the stuff that listed on my thing right here, all the stuff that listed. That I have to pay for $5, y'all. Everything. One call $5, other one $5, $10, $65, $10, $5. My total is $239, y'all. I'm not paying it. Everybody know me. I'm a clean person. I kept constantly calling people about the ceiling fans. They kept shaking. I kept constantly calling about the doggone tub that was peeling inside. I kept calling them about the fucking ceiling that was leaking water in the restroom. Like, bro, so, okay. So we can play. I got all my evidence. I record everything. And I got all my pictures. But we could. This is talking about the oven wasn't clean. Y'all saw that oven. It was so freaking dirty. I tried my best trying to clean that freaking oven. Then she's talking about the top of the oven was dirty. Was it dirty, y'all? Okay. But alright, y'all, hold on. Y'all, this can be one long video, but it's okay. Cause I want y'all to be my witnesses, y'all, because y'all know y'all my witness, y'all my squad. But y'all, this lady, I'm finna call her now, y'all. I'm calling her right now. I'm gonna ask her, I gotta pay $200 for.
Thank you for choosing Pinewood Forest. This is Gina. How can I help you today?
Hi, Miss Gina. This is Brittany. This is staying at 804. Is Miss Vanessa in today?
Hold on just a moment, okay?
Okay.
Combination of private neighborhood living and close proximity to shop.
We gonna see y'all.
And San Jacinto College.
I don't play.
Miss Vanessa, how can I help you?
Hi, Miss Vanessa. On this list, it's like not true because I tried cleaning the ceiling fan and some of that dirt will come off. The guest toilet wasn't that dirty because I cleaned that and when I got through.
Let me transfer to Lydia. Even though I signed the move out, I don't do the move out. Lydia does. She does the walkthrough and everything. Hold on a second.
Yes, ma'am. Y'all see how she trying to be all nice and stuff, y'all? I'm not playing, bro.
Online with us today.
You don't sit here and show me some shit that I didn't do. Y'all, excuse my French, y'all. I'm just so pissed off. I'm pissed off. $65 kitchen counter. The kitchen counter wasn't even dirty. Y'all, my blood pressure going high, y'all. And I know I go stressed out real fast. Like real fast, y'all.
We apologize.
I'm not trying to stress myself out. Like I'm already small.
Hello, this is Lydia.
Hey, Miss Lydia. I had got this the letter in the mail yesterday that this list is not true. Like, cause I don't know who did the walkthrough, but the ceiling fan, the toilet, and all that other stuff wasn't true. I had most of all that stuff cleaned up. Like I couldn't the inside of the toilet. I didn't do that. The maintenance man did that when he had to come fix the inside of the toilet. So that black stuff that was around there, that's great. And then I see another thing. It said the ceiling fan was dirty. I tried cleaning that ceiling fan, and most of the stuff will not come off. And I've been had told you guys that the ceiling fan needs to be fixed, and y'all never came and fixed that. It's just so much stuff on this list that's not true. Like the kitchen knives on the cabinet, I forgot it there when I was moving out. So how can y'all charge me $5 for some kitchen knife? I don't know. It's just so much stuff on this list that's not true.
Okay. Well, as far as the charges, cleaning charges. When you move out, if you don't clean or if you leave any items, trash, or anything like that, once you turn in your keys, we go and either I go in the following day, do the walkthrough, I take pictures, and I file it. Now, the purpose for the move-in inspection form that you moved in, so that's very important that it gets filled out. If there's anything that you did not cause, as far as damages or if it was not working properly, or in your case you said the toilet is because it wasn't clean. So that's the charge. Damages as far as you're talking about your ceiling fan that you weren't able to clean it, you said?
Yes, I tried cleaning that ceiling fan. I even trying to wipe the walls down to make it look a little decent. And then the carpet, it wasn't just, the carpet was out of there because it needed to be picked up. I've been there 3 years, and it just was every time I get a shampoo, it's like a week later or 2 days later, it get back dirty. And then another thing I saw on here, it says the oven was dirty. I tried to clean that oven. I tried for 3 days. I even got a lot of cleaning stuff. Most of the stuff they want to come up. I tried my best. And I don't know, it's just so much stuff on this list that I tried doing. Because I'm not a nasty person. I'm not finna leave that apartment nasty. I tried my best trying to clean it and stuff. But I don't know why y'all charge me $5 for some kitchen knives that y'all should have just threw it away for me if I knew I left it there. I don't know. It's just so much.
Well, as far as what I charge, as far as if you leave any items, any trash, anything like that, it's going to be charged. So it shouldn't have been left out, for a trash out.
But it wasn't no trash. It was just the kitchen knives on the counter. It wasn't no trash nowhere in the apartment. No trash nowhere, just the kitchen knife.
Okay. It should have been left in the kitchen. You wouldn't have a charge.
Okay.
Y'all
see how she trying to just not say shit, bro? And I'm trying to keep it cool and collect. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you received your letter?
And
you didn't receive your...
check that y'all something I gotta pay? I don't know.
No, the check that you received, that's your refund.
Oh, okay. So the $239, that's stuff they gotta pay? The damage for all that stuff? Because I have videos and pictures that I took.
No, you don't have balance owed here. Your total refund that you still got back was $219.
Okay.
So you don't have a balance. Those are the charges that were applied to the credit that you originally had. So from your deposit and the credit, then your refund is $219.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you don't have a balance here with us.
Okay. So this just the
Taken care of. Yeah, it's been taken care of. So you don't have a balance here with us.
okay. I was just making sure because I was confused and I was just trying to make sure because
Yeah.
I know I'm not a dirty person and I wouldn't dare leave nobody's apartment like that, you know. So
I
I just
understand.
okay.
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 Alrighty, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Y'all see how y'all please excuse my French, y'all. I'm not trying to cuss so bad. But who charged somebody $5 for some freaking kitchen knife I left on the cabinet? I forgot to get it when we was moving everything out. Who charged somebody $5? Now all this shit gonna be on my freaking credit. If I'm trying to move somewhere else, they gonna pull this stuff up. But we gonna get that taken care of. She said everything taken care of, but it's still on my credit. It's still on my freaking background. And everybody know I'm not a dirty person at all. Who y'all? I'm not gonna worry about it, y'all. Who charged somebody $5 for a freaking ceiling fan? When you go out of an apartment, they gotta come back in there and paint over, clean the apartment for the next person to move in. Oh, the ceiling fan was dirty. The toilet inside was dirty. This and that. Y'all, let me fix my food so I can take me a shower and stuff, y'all. I'm hungry.
I'm riding in the car with it.
I was calling you back to the lady had said.
What the lady said?
She gonna talk about, cause she had charged me for the ceiling fan. She charged me for the toilet. She charged me for the oven.
She gonna charge you for a toilet, and that toilet was shaking since you been there.
Exactly, and a ceiling fan.
Now you been, cause when I used to come here, I always ask, what's wrong with your toilet? Like you don't stay still.
Exactly.
She didn't charge you for no toilet.
Talking about it was dirty inside. The ceiling fan was dirty. Talking about you left the kitchen knives on the cabinet. Talking about all trash gotta be gone when you leave. Like if you leave any trash, there's a charge.
You should. I got pictures, ma'am.
I did tell her that. I said I got pictures and videos.
Ma'am, I done took pictures of all that. So whatever you said, I got pictures to show all that was clean.
But she's talking about everything is covered. They're gonna be on my records. But so that's all right. I know.
That's not all right. Y'all say that's all right. Y'all gotta get that off your record.
Mama, I am. She told me everything taken care of. She said that.
She said everything taken care of?
Yes. They're just gonna be on my records.
Yeah, I'm gonna call you when I get home.
Tell grandma, say hey.
Mama, we just say hey. Tell her I try to call her. Leave a message. Mama said try to call you. Leave a message. Yeah, I call you this morning, but I could have picked you up.
Wait, grandma say, who mama?
Yeah, well, mama, we didn't say, you said, who mama? Now we're gonna go see where the barbecue place is.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm gonna make some eggs, cause I think I'm gonna get my niece out of school at 1:30, y'all, but Jesus. I think I'll take me a whole show. Yeah, I thought I was gonna do some eggs and rice. I'm about to do an omelet with some bacon. I'm about to do some omelet. Yeah. These eggs are frozen, y'all. I can't take my thing. But this one thing. Don't out. My ice box is getting lower. Lower than on out. I'm gonna eat some egg and bread with some bacon. I mean an omelet. So, yeah. And I want to start recording on my camera, y'all, but for some reason my camera, I don't know if it's either a new blend. I don't know, but it sure blocked to me. So I had everything wrong. I thought they sent me a check for $200, y'all, but to pay. But that's my refund, y'all. So, but I'm still mad because all that stuff been on my credit. I'm trying to fix my credit so I can go ahead and buy me a house one day. And life, y'all. Now, let me start worrying myself like I'm crazy. Because y'all know me, I always sit here and worry myself. And that's why I don't gain weight, because I worry myself too much. So, yeah. But I'm gonna cook tonight, y'all. Check out some kind of meat. But let me go ahead and do this. I'm gonna get back with y'all and listen to the music.
What's on your mind?
Okay, guys, I made me an omelet by making me an egg and bacon sandwich and stuff, you guys. Wait, I'm gonna take me back, see if I'm gonna pick up Mackenzie or not. But yeah, you guys, this is this. I'm gonna eat. Okay, guys, I'm done cooking my breakfast. I got just a egg, bacon and egg sandwich with a little jelly and some orange juice, you guys. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, and I'm trying to see how much it is for. You know, I not toast my bread. I should have, but I do my old toast that way because it wasn't in the best condition to bring it. You know, so I'm just gonna get a whole new one. But it's pretty good. You know, I just got some jelly on there, and eggs and bacon. Now I really eat bacon back in the days. Now I like bacon. Okay. Yeah, I can see it. Oh yeah. Yeah, excuse me how I look. I had twisted up the stuff. I just put this little headband around it so it won't be looking crazy. You know. I got some taco shells and stuff in my refrigerator. So that's what I'm thinking about doing. Yeah, you know what gets to me? People on social media be front, but just want the clout and stuff, yeah. This person always posting stuff like this on social media. This boy and stuff. How he want his relationship to be and stuff. You know it's crazy because people pray for their relationship to be this and be that, but once they get into the relationship, they're a whole totally different person. I hate that with a passion. I don't like this stuff. I feel like don't try to make the next person. Be yourself. You know, like make your own relationship go. Person, y'all know how to continue to do the thing that y'all did to keep that person. I hate that. I like my relationship. I am not looking for nobody. I have all type of guys in my inbox talk to me. I'm like, I don't even want to be mean and rude. I don't reply back to them. I read the message and that's it. Time for the bull crap. Like, I don't have time for extra niggas. Either they want to come live with you, or they just want to come chill, rub on you. I'm like, I'm too old for that, baby. And I don't got time for that. If I want somebody to rub on me, I'll give me a goddamn, look at this thing with that. I'll give me a massager. Let that massager rub my body. Like, I don't know. Like, let's look at the same no more. Oh, you're looking at the same. You know, I don't know what the video gonna be about, so we're gonna see together. I feel like people on social media, they be putting on, they be happy as hell, but no kid, they hurt each other. I ain't gonna lie, this now sandwich busting. This sandwich good. Y'all try to do my eyebrows for y'all, cause I didn't want to come on camera looking a mess. Oh y'all, yesterday, if y'all don't watch Sisters, I mean I need to watch Sisters, cause that show is good. That show is good. Okay, I ain't gonna ruin it for y'all. I'm gonna start watching it. Cause me, I'll tell the whole story. What's going on? First one came no weight. Y'all know my stomach can't break that out. Oh. Y'all see that big ass spider? Whoa. How you doing?
Good.
That's good.
Sorry it took so long, but my phone had died and I had to go buy a
Oh,
new
it's okay.
charger. Can you put your mask on, sweetie?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
No. Thank you.
Northwest. No, northeast. I'm sorry. Yes, northeast. Me too. I said the same thing. I've been here my whole life, and I barely know what place is at. I'm like, really?
Yeah, because it's like Houston so
Houston's so big, yes.
it's like, dang, I ain't never been on this side.
Right? Where you from, Houston?
South Park.
Oh, South Park.
I lived in Pearland for a long time. Manville.
Okay.
Stuff. And I was like, I looked up, it was 2 o'clock. I was like, dang, I ain't got no work done today. I ain't Ubered. Is it a Mary Kay book back there, a magazine?
No, ma'am.
Somebody told me.
Oh, wow.
I do virtual skincare parties on Zoom. You familiar with Zoom? So I have one tonight at 7:30, and like you just click onto my Zoom link, and I talk about different skincare products, charcoal masks and stuff, and everybody who comes on will get a free gift for attending my.
Okay, you said tonight? Okay.
I'm gonna give you my phone number. You can text me. Say, what's your name?
Brittany.
Just text me. Say this Brittany from Uber, and then I'll send you the link and everything.
Okay. That sounds good.
It's 832.
Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys, I made it to the place. Yeah, the lady sounded nice, but she kept on picking up all her stops. Like, what the hell? How y'all doing? Fine. Okay, guys. Okay, you guys, I made it to the store. I made it to City Trends, y'all. I like getting their PJs from here. So I'm gonna surprise my mama with a PJ set. Y'all, she gonna do something. Let me figure her reaction, y'all. First, I want to get the green one. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna sit y'all over here. Hold on. I'm gonna sit y'all right here. I just got me some socks and y'all look. Is this cute? Okay, you guys, I'm on the bus. I never rode the bus in so long, you guys. I don't know how to ride the bus no more. Say hey. All gotta be ghetto, y'all. Y'all. Oh, Lord have mercy. Y'all. Y'all.
Bitch, you dropped them.
Oh man, I need this.
Ain't been but 2 weeks.
Right? Come on, look at us. I think she's growing, y'all. She's, well, how year? 17? She's 17, y'all. She got her nails done.
I really knocked out. I tell you, Ty.
Long as it.
That's weird.
Hey, Layla. I'm about to come in now. I got something. My mama said I could get her y'all, get her reaction about her outfit. Y'all, mama looking for something right now, y'all. You guys, my mama late birthday gift. I got her to get her reaction, y'all. Here you go.
Give me a break. Don't run, bitch. Don't run. You gonna meet my kid. Oh, y'all finna take my ice lay in your bed.
Okay. I got my sister a gift too, y'all.
Run trying to catch weed.
Let me see. Oh, mama got your late birthday gift. Oh, let me see, y'all. Let's see what she's gonna say. Oh, mama, this your late birthday gift, and never say I ain't give you nothing.
For real?
Yeah.
You lying.
I ain't lying. Oh.
Ooh, bitch. And shorts too? Oh, yes, thank you. Where my wear at?
I don't know where you gonna wear it to. Cause my sister
I'm gonna
next,
put it on
y'all.
right now.
Put it on.
I
finna get my sister reaction, y'all. Hold on.
I want to cry.
Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get her reaction.
The shorts are too long, but. Where
I'm
was I
in
with
the
it?
bed because she's tired. I got your late birthday gift too, but don't say I ain't give y'all nothing. I hope you like it. I thought it was a picture, you know.
Oh, they like this.
What is it?
These are pins.
What is it?
One says faith and how far we come, pride and how far.
I can't even see it's dark.
Oh, it say pride and how far we come is faith and
Oh,
how
I
far
like that. And then that's the man.
It's a cup holder.
It's like cups and stuff. I can
Up
do
your
that
bottle.
outfit.
for my outfits on my desk.
You like it?
Yeah, dude, thank you.
You welcome.
So give her a ride home.
Oh Lord, I'm so silly.
So when we get out the gate, I kept saying, I can't see. Jerry, I say, come on, you ain't got your glasses on. I said, oh fuck, it release you.
Yeah, I took my hair down, y'all.
I'ma get it. You know mama gonna get it. See, I made 9 damn children, tell me I ain't gonna get it.
Oh my God, y'all. All right, y'all. This is crazy. People get their hair done. They think they all lit. Y'all took my hair down, y'all. I look at the mess. But it's cute, though. You want a blog? Okay, you guys. I made it back home. I think we got a little stuff from the store and stuff. Y'all so tired. I've been gone since 3. And it's 7 o'clock. No, not since 3. I've been up since 10. And you can make it home at 7. I'm going to take me a shower, put my dinner on. I'm cooking some tacos tonight, you guys. I got some hamburger meat. So I make hamburgers. Another time and stuff, you guys. So yeah. But I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Y'all, my mama so crazy, y'all. Y'all gotta look at this. That lady crazy. Crazy, y'all. But I love it. I'm so happy that they love that gift. Like I told my brother and my mama, with my sister and my mama that I know I don't think ain't banking like y'all, you know, so I think the little thing that counts. And people don't understand that. The little thing that counts, it means a lot to a person, you know. I mean, so, oh my God, the taco sauce, I do. Y'all, because I want to say y'all all about the same because I've been out of that when I have taco sauce. Some tea, because I don't drink soda like that, and I don't want to feel like making no Kool-Aid. So y'all make some tea, y'all. But I'm still going to talk about the tub stuff in the blog. I don't want the blog to be too long, because I can't edit all this stuff. Okay, you guys, I made it back to the house. Y'all already heard earlier, but I'm telling y'all again, back to the house. I just got out the shower, you guys. This is the outfit that I had bought from City Trends, y'all. I'm not ashamed to say where I bought my stuff from. It's cute. It's just some sleepwear, you know. So this is what I bought from, it fit me nice, y'all, because like usually my pants fit me like kind of like big and stuff, so I could see my weight coming and stuff, because these must fit me. So y'all, I can't raise my whole clothes up, y'all. But y'all look, they fit me right. You know, it ain't too small and too big, it's just right and stuff. I told her, now give me a month and a half. Your girl ain't gonna be up there, you know? You gonna be up there. But I figured cook these tacos. Well, they already cooked. The meat already cooked. I'm about to go ahead and do the the shells and the soft tacos on the stove. You know how y'all, I don't know if it's just me or everybody do that. Like we bought some taco shells or the soft taco. Do y'all eat it out the pack like that? Do y'all cook it on the stove? Cause me personally, I can't eat no dry flour taco things. I gotta cook mine on the stove with like a little butter and stuff. Give it like a little. Y'all finna go ahead and do that. So y'all finna go ahead and end the vlog here. So y'all don't know my hair. I took my twists out in my mama's house because y'all know I don't like walking around looking like I'm don't got no damn home training. You know, they got some female in this world. Like just cause you from the hood, you don't gotta dress hood. You don't gotta look hood. You don't gotta look ratchet. You know, keep yourself up. You know. So I'm like, man, look at my mama restroom and take them doggone twisted thing got my head and stuff. So this I did my hair, y'all. And I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. I'm just getting like a ponytail because my friend party is Saturday, so me and my sister gonna fade that Saturday. And then next weekend it's my cousin girlfriend birthday party at this club. She got a section, so we're gonna fade that too, y'all. So it's so many birthdays coming up and stuff. So yeah, but I had a good time. That's it for this video, you guys. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Mama love her birthday gift, y'all. And it's like I told y'all earlier, it's a little thing that counts. My sister, she love her birthday gift too. I'm glad they let their stuff. Anyways, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, make sure you turn the notification post on, hit that bell. So every time I upload a video, you can be notified that, you guys. And your girl will see you guys in the next video. Bye, I love you guys. Oh yeah, for tonight, I'm gonna give y'all an encouragement word. You know, it's like I wrote the thing on my refrigerator, and I write it every morning. I come up here and write, you know, like a little Bible scripture or the encouragement word and stuff like that. So tonight I had wrote they say when you really let go and let God, that's when all your problems, your stress, the loneliness nights, and all that stuff goes away when you believe and trust in God. So just trust in God, believe in Him, have faith, have hope, and trust me, everything will be okay. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.